Hey, TCL crew. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my newbies. Today we are in the kitchen. We are going to be making sesame chicken, okay? Sesame chicken, homemade sesame sauce. This is my first time making sesame chicken and first time making homemade sesame sauce. So I want to see how it turns out. Hopefully it tastes good. Hopefully my family loves it because your girl know how to cook, but she needs to learn how to make her own sauces. So today that is what we are going to be doing. If you would like to see how I make my homemade sesame sauce, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So what I want y'all to do is in the comments down below, tell me what is your favorite homemade sauce to make. Tell me if you ever made sesame chicken before. Tell me how you like sesame chicken and tell me what is your favorite meal to cook. Okay, leave all that down in the comment box below because I want to see what new recipes I can make. Leave me something, give me some advice, something that I could have did different with my sesame sauce or something that you do for your own sesame sauce, guys. Leave it down in the comments below and let me know. Your girl wants to know what y'all like to cook. All right, guys, so these are the items that I'm going to be using for my chicken and my sauce today. So the first thing we have is our olive oil. I have our black pepper, onion powder. We also have garlic powder, and I do use turmeric in all my food. Not a lot, just a little bit, and I use it in everything. We have the Chef Bay seasoning and spices. Shout out to her. Lori seasoning. So we also have our smoked paprika. And now for the sauces, we are going to be using light brown sugar. I also have our raw honey, the flowers for the chicken. But we do have the sweet chili sauce. I'm going to be using a little bit of that because I didn't get the chili flakes, the red chili flakes. So we have the soy sauce, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Also, we have rice vinegar, okay? You can see my chicken is already washed and prepared. I do wash my chicken in lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. So now we are just seasoning the chicken. As I always state, I do not measure anything. I season to my liking and I add ingredients to my liking. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Season to your own liking, okay? All of the seasonings I showed you is what I am putting in the chicken. After we put all the seasonings in, we are going to mix it together very good, rub in each individual piece to make sure everything is seasoned evenly. All right, so this is how we are looking. I always add a little bit of seasoning to my flour just to make sure everything is seasoned perfectly. And for the chicken, I didn't want it as fully coated as fried chicken would be. I wanted it to be lightly coated. So we lightly coated the chicken and I am going to fry it in a little bit of oil. I'm not going to fry it for the full time period because I do want to bake my chicken as well, to reduce the amount of oil that is getting soaked up in the chicken. So that is what I'm going to do today. Fry, then bake. Fry, then bake. Fry, then bake. As you can see, the chicken is not fully coated, and that is okay because we are going to be putting sauce on the chicken after it comes out the oven. These are the chicken tenderloins that I fried. I did not feel like cutting them up, so I left them as the tenderloin strips. Now we have our chicken going into the oven so it can bake for the full amount of cook time so everything can be well done. All right, guys, and I also want y'all to tell me what is your favorite seasonings to use for your meals. What am I missing out on? Let me show y'all my seasoning cabinet and my sauce cabinet and then tell me what I need to add. Tell me what I'm missing, and then you can get some ideas of what you need to add in your cabinet as well. So here is my seasoning cabinet. First level, I have my spice rack with some spices. All right, who uses cardamom, guys? Tell me what you guys use. What is your favorite seasoning? Of course, I have my normal black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Himalayan salt. We have our curry powder, sesame seeds. I have the sweet chili sauce that I bought for the that I bought for the sesame chicken. I have orange sauces today and I am excited to try them. I'm very excited to try the orange sauce because I love Panda Express, guys. All right, we have the soy sauce, browning, and up there I have my lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, oil, different types of oil, avocado, not avocado, guys, olive oil, grapeseed oil, sesame oil. So this is how my cabinet is looking. And yes, y'all, I had to steal. I ain't steal it, but they gave it to me, you know. They gave it to me. The sweet and spicy sriracha Chick-fil-A. Because sometimes I don't feel like making my own sauces. Sometimes I'm going to be lazy and, you know, I'm going to use what I got. So I got a few of these sauces, one of my favorite sauces from Chick-fil-A. Put it over some chicken that you make at home and you good to go, good to go. Tell me, what is your favorite sauce from Chick-fil-A, guys? What is your favorite sauce? Leave that down in the comments below.
Wasting time, I'm selling it, couldn't make $1,000 after I put all of mine. Don't tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm right. Don't tell me I'm different. Don't tell me I work and try to own my own shit, nigga. No, you too fly, you too impatient to see the vision. How about you sit and make a prediction? We up, you move, we not. Show you everywhere, girl. I heard you wasting my time. Run around my block and hit the gate. You ain't got me tripping, got the car watching me, yeah. Mom need a vacation, ain't got no time playing. We ain't talking till I'm winning, I be on a plane. I remember time that you ain't wanna change. Please change for me. Life stop being sick from my eyes open. R.I.P. the polo had a whole come on. Life change, you give me some magic. Live your life to the fullest, how dare that nigga to put it. R.I.P. Nipsey, we making no way. We don't need no new friends, I'm here on my own. Who would I be if I ain't spit like this and talk like that? You got me out of my zone, I ain't comfortable. I'm getting out of my bed, hot flat my wings like a bird. Gotta get better at knowing yourself and being consistent. Ain't no good copping, grilling, they all faded. They wanted war out here, but they gon' get it. They look at my eyes closed and thinking I'm joking. I so red, they been thinking that I'm smoking. They can't stop me, I walk with the army, yeah. Nobody can stop me, and that's the way I'm thinking. Street so big, I can put my name on it, yeah. You got me, I'm wasting time. Doing all this, can't pick up my line, yeah. I just want you to do that. I'm your brother, you ain't seen me in a long time, yeah. I just want you to do that. I'm your brother, you ain't seen me in a long time, yeah. Yeah, streets dangerous and my kids all in it. Life cocky, I had to pass with my eyes closed. We the one way to pick the streets all in it. You see me, we wigging up. Doing all this, can't pick up my line, yeah. And you got me too lost in my head right now. Trying to make time, but when there's no time, man, you ignore it. Cause everything I will be moving fast. Yeah, there's a point in time in life that it won't never last. Work hard to the change. Jim and mama told me nothing gon' be easy to maintain. Got it, dive and go and get it. That's the way that we done came, so just don't lie to me. I put in that work, it's not a whole lot.
All right, y'all. So my sesame chicken was amazing, as I knew it would be, because your girl's a chef. Your girl's a chef, okay? She knows what she's doing. My sesame chicken came out really, really good. I was kind of surprised because, you know, like I said, I don't do measurements. So sometimes I F stuff up, but most of the times it comes out good. And this time it came out good. I really enjoyed it with my white rice. It tasted really yummy, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Till next time, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all of that good stuff. Show your girl some love, and I will see you in our next video. Deuces.